Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add a live video post for your friends on Facebook. Whether you're sharing a special moment or connecting with your friends in real time, going live is a great way to engage. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top of your newsfeed. You'll see a box that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it to begin creating a new post. Next, from the menu that appears, select Live Video. This will take you to the setup screen for your live broadcast. Here, you can adjust your settings and prepare for your stream. Before you go live, it's important to choose who can see your video. Tap on the audience selector, which is usually labeled as Public or Friends. From the options provided, select Friends to ensure only people you're connected with can view your live video. Once everything is set up and you're ready to start streaming, tap on the Go Live button. And just like that, you're broadcasting live to your friends. They'll be able to watch, comment, and react in real time. When you're finished sharing your moment, simply tap Finish to end the live stream. Your video will then be saved as a post on your timeline unless you choose otherwise. And there you have it. Adding a live video post for your friends on Facebook is quick and easy. Don't forget to interact with viewers during your stream to make it even more engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.